Welcome to Sanctuary Arms Cafe, and on today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Gerber LST Mini, and this is a tiny little folding knife. I feel like this is a great little EDC knife. It's very small. It's got some really cool features to it, and we're going to take a look at that today and we're going to talk about it. So the first thing is, this is very light. It's also smooth, and it's also, Gerber is a very tough knife. It locks back. It's got a plain edge to the blade. It's got a lightweight grip. Like this packaging and the knife, I think the packaging weighs more than the knife itself. Our cameraman's messing up here. So these are the features that it has. It is 440A stainless steel. It's in a black oxidized, which is just the blade is black. It's got the modified plain edge Warncliffe blade with a thumb hole for your finger to open it. It's got the lock back. It's got a little tiny lanyard here and a grab tab. This is really cool. I like this feature. It also has a sharpening tool, and it's also glass-filled nylon handle. So we're going to open it and we're going to look at it. This is the overview of what it looks like in its packaging. And then this is the back of it. I got mine at AutoZone. I believe it was $14.99. I'm not sure. But the guy that checked us out that day at the cash register, he had one on his keys. So that's pretty cool to see. He said it was his EDC. I have no idea how to open this one. You're going to watch me struggle for a while.
I need a knife to open a knife.
I need a knife. The cardboard, it's never ending. It never ends. This is painful pause. Many long time later. Look, it took a kitchen knife and some hard prying to get this open. Oh, look at the packaging. Just admire my beautiful artwork there of unboxing. So it comes with a paper. I have no idea what this is, so I don't really keep any of these, but oh, there you go. I don't want that. So here's an overview of the knife. It's got its little tab here. It's so cute. It's lightweight. This weighs nothing, like, at all. So here's the blade. Let me show you what the blade looks like. I'm gonna find a tape measure. I got a tape measure. I got the gray one personally. I just thought it looked nice. So overall, this knife is right at like 4 and what is that? 3/8. yeah, pretty well. The blade itself is like basically 2. Wait, yeah, I had a brain fart just then. So yeah, there's the blade length and the knife length. Overall, I think if you use this for like cutting string or everyday use, and it is locked, it's locked in there very well. It doesn't feel like it would, you know, hold up to harder projects, but like cutting string and stuff like that. Yeah, baby girl. I knew they put the paper in here for something. So there's our you know, our cut test. Look at that. Oops. I'm being very careful. So overall, I think it's really worth $14 plus tax. It's locked in there. This spot right here, you push down, and that just lets you shut it. So yeah, that is the Gerber LST Mini. The ones I saw, they come in this gray color and they come in black. Okay. Look how tiny it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything you want to see filmed, or if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, and we will definitely get back to you. And I will throw up some other videos for you guys to watch, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye! Okay, so just to show you how lightweight it is, I'm going to use my coffee scale here, and we're going to use grams, and I'm just going to show you how much it weighs. So it weighs 14.2 grams. Yeah, tiny boy.